today in this video we find the solutions of intermediate maths second B. In this circle chapter, exercise 1D I did 1D solutions of section 1 and I uploaded video also. Now in this video we find the solutions of section 2. Okay, so here there is section 2 7 questions are there, 7 questions. Now section 1 15 questions are there. We will discuss it, and I uploaded video also of this section 1. Now in this section 2 I am going to solve this 7 problems. So start with this 1D exercise 1D here, 1D section 2. Okay, now section 2 here first question is find the angle between the tangents drawn from the 3, 2 from a circle to a circle. This S is equal to 00. So this is the circle he is given. So find the angle. This angle he asking us to find here. So from this we will get the values of G. G is equal to -3 and F is equal to 2 will get here, and given point is 3, 2 here. Okay, so we need to find R is equal to here. R is equal to under root of G square is equal to 9 plus 4 square is equal to F square is equal to 4 minus C means 2 here. So it will become under root of minus C means here minus is there, it will become plus, and it will become 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 2 15 is equal to R is equal to how much? 15, root 15, and it will become here over. So if the theta is angle with theta, so if theta is angle between the tangents, then the formula is tan theta by 2 is equal to R divided by under root of S11. So S11. So S11 means this is the x square. No, it will become, so here R is equal to, we got root 15 here, root 15 divided by S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2fy1 plus c is equal to 0. No, so in this we have to submit the values of x square. So what is the x square value? X1 y1 is equal to, so 3 square means 9 plus 4 plus 2g 2 3 ja 6g plus 2fy 2fy means here fy1. No, so 4f plus c is equal to how much? Minus 2 is equal to 0, and 9 plus 4 13. This g value is minus 3, 6 3 ja 18 minus 18, and f is equal to 2 plus 8 and minus 2 is equal to 0 here. So it will become minus 10. 13 minus 10 is equal to how much? It will become under root of 13 minus here this is minus 10 and minus 2 is equal minus 2, and root 15 divided by 13 minus 0, 13 minus 10 3 minus 2 1, so root 1. Okay, here it will become root 1, and tan theta is equal to, tan theta by 2 is equal to root 15. Tan theta by 2 is equal to root 15. Okay, so here 2 will tan inverse goes there, and theta by 2 is equal to tan inverse of root 15, and 2 will goes there. Theta is equal to 2 into tan inverse of 15. So answer is this one, tan inverse of 15. So find the angle he asking us to find. So angle is 2 into tan inverse of 15, root 15. Now move to the second question here. Here second question is given that solution find the angle between the pair of tangents drawn from the 1, 3 to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0. Same question, same answer we have to find here. So g is equal to minus 1 will get, and f is equal to 2 will get from this one. So these two things, and r is equal to, we have to find under root of g square is equal to 1 plus f square is equal to 2 means 4, and here minus c means plus 11 here. It will become under root of 4 plus 5 15 16. So r is equal to 4 here. Now here given that r is equal to, we got here, and given that point is 1, 3 here, and if theta is angle between the pair of tangents, so then tan theta by 2 is equal to r divided by under root s11. No, so in this r is equal to 4 we got, under root of s11 is equal to so in this one x1 square plus y1 square, x1 square plus y1 square plus sorry, minus 2x1 plus 4y1 minus 11 here. So here 4 divided by x1 square is equal to 1 and plus 3 square is equal to 9, 1 comma 3 only, no? So 9 minus 2 and it will become 4 3 is 12 plus 12 and minus 11 here. So 4 divided by under root of 1 plus 9, 10. 10 minus 10 minus this will become 13 minus 13. 10 minus 13 10 minus 13 3. 10 minus 13 minus 3 minus 3 12 minus 3 9. 9 will become here, means 4 by 3 will come here. So theta is tan theta is equal to tan theta by t is equal to 4 by 3, no, 4 by 3. So theta by 2 is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3 here, and theta is equal to 2 into tan inverse of 4 by 3. So this is the answer here. So we have to find now. So third question is also same maximum like this only. We'll do that one also. Here third question also same thing, find the angle between the pair of tangents drawn from the 0, 0 origin here given. So to the circle x square plus y square minus 14x plus 2y plus 25 is equal to 0. So in this this is easy here. So x1 comma y1 is equal to given as 0, 0, and here g is equal to minus 7 and f is equal to this is 2, no, so it will become 1 only. So c is equal to 25 will get here, and r is equal to under root of g square is equal to 49 plus 1 here minus 25 is equal to will get 50 minus 25 20 root 25 is equal to 5. R is equal to 5 here. Now if theta is angle between pair of tangents. So what is the formula? Tan theta by 2 is equal to r divided by root of s11. So r is equal to how much we got? 5 divided by under root of this is x1 square is equal to how much? 0 square plus 0 square minus 14 into 0 0 plus 0 plus 25 is equal to 5 by root 25 is equal to 5 by 5 will come here. So 5 1 will get cancelled. Tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 will come. What we can write it as 1, tan 45 is equal to 1 only. Okay, tan theta by 2 is equal to tan 45. Theta by 2 is equal to 45. So theta is equal to 90 degrees here. So this is the answer. Now move to the fourth question here. Here fourth question is given that find the locus of P. He is asking us to find the locus of P. If the tangents drawn from a P to circle x square plus y square is equal to a square and include an angle alpha here, he is asking us to. Solution here. Here given that equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square, no. So from this g is equal to 0 and f is equal to 0 and r is equal to, will get like this. Here c is equal to minus a square. I will get r is equal to under root of 0 square plus 0 square minus of minus a square, it will become plus a square. So r is equal to we got a here. Okay, from this r is equal to we got. If the angle between the locus of P and tangents and include angle of alpha, he is saying that. So here the alpha is the angle between the lines, between the tangents here. So tan alpha by 2 is equal to r divided by under root of s11 here. So s11. So means s11 is equal to r is equal to how much we got? A divided by a. This is a divided by under root of x1 square plus y1 square minus a square, no. So this is tan alpha by 2 here. So in this I will do one thing. So here we have to find the locus, no. In this I will squaring on both sides. I will do squaring on both sides. So it will become tan square alpha by 2 is equal to a square divided by this total will become x1 square plus y1 square minus a square will come here. So I will reverse of this one and I will make reverse this one, and I will write x1 square plus y1 square minus a square is equal to will write as a square into this will become cot square. If we reverse this, so it will become cot square. Cot square alpha by 2 will come. So I will reverse this total, this one and this one I will reverse. So it will become x1 plus y1, x1 square plus y1 square by a square will become, and it will become cot square. So cot square. So I will after that I will a square I will bring to the right side and it will become multiplying. So a square into cot square alpha by 2 will come. So here x square plus x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square cot square alpha by 2 plus a square. So if a square will come on, the a square into cot square alpha by 2 plus 1. So x1 square plus y1 square is equal to this value will come. So now the locus of x1 comma y1 is equal to, so x square plus y square is equal to a square into cot square alpha by 2 plus 1 is the answer here. Now move to the fifth question here. So here fifth question is find the locus of P if the tangents drawn from to x square plus y square is perpendicular. He is given perpendicular here. Solution here, equation of the circle is given that x square plus y square is equal to a square. No, so in this r is equal to a will get. So we did in the fourth question only. So now let the P x1 comma y1. So here this P x1 comma y1, it is on the locus, means this on this equation. So it will become x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. Okay, s double 1 is equal to. Now here tan theta is equal to, here tan theta by 2 is equal to r by under root of s double 1. No? So from this tan theta is equal to, tan theta by 2 is equal to, r is equal to how much we got, a divided by under root of x1 square plus y1 square minus a square will get here. So in this he saying this perpendicular, it is a perpendicular. Perpendicular means what? It is 2 theta like 90 degrees. Perpendicular means 90 degrees, means 2 theta is equal to pi by 2 from come here. Now theta is equal to, it will become pi by 4 will come here, means here theta is equal to pi by 4, where tan theta is equal to, here tan theta by 2 is equal to tan pi by 4 is equal to a by under root of x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. Tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So a by under root of x1 square plus y1 square minus a square is equal to 1 here. So squaring on both sides, it will become a square divided by x1 square plus y1 square minus a square is equal to 1. So this goes here and it will become a square is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. Minus a square will come this way, 2a square is equal to x1 square plus y1 square. So locus of P is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. This is the answer of the question given, fifth one. Now moving to sixth one. Here sixth one is find the slope of the polar of 1 comma 3 with respect to the circle is given here, and also find the distance from the center to it. Solution here, the equation of circle here what is given? Equation of circle is given is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 2, and r is equal to under root of g square is equal to 4 plus 4 minus 4. Okay, so minus 4 means plus 4 here. So it will become under root of what we get here, 4 plus 4 12 will get here. We leave this aside, these all. Now here polar of 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 means, so this is this point lies on the equation, okay, circle equation. So means is s double 1 is equal to 0. So here x into x1 plus y into y1 minus 4 into minus 4 means 2 into, here minus 2 into x plus x1, here minus 2 into y plus y1 minus 4 is equal to 0. In this we have to submit the values. So x1 is how much? 1 only. So x1 x will come, here 3y come and it will become minus 2x, here minus 2x1 minus 2x1 minus here minus 2y minus 2y1 minus 4 is equal to 0. From this minus x, this one and this will become plus y, and here 2x will come, no? So 2x1 here, and y1 this one, okay, this one, and minus 2x1 and minus 2y1 minus 4 is equal to 0 will remain here. It will become here x1 y values I will submit minus x1 plus y1, sorry, y minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. It will become minus x minus plus y, this is 2, this is 6, this is 4, minus 10 minus 12 here, minus 12 is equal to 0 here. So in this this is a slope of this is equal to, this polar is equal to minus a by b, no? So minus a by b, m is equal to minus a by b. So he asking us to find here, so find the slope of m is equal to minus a by b, means a is equal to minus 1 divided by 1. Already minus is there, for this minus is there, it will become plus. So 1 is the m of the slope of this one. So distance from the center he asking us to, distance from the center C. Center of the circle is how much? Minus g comma minus f, no? So from this we will get g comma 2 is 2 comma 2 will get here. So c 2 comma 2 is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root of a square plus b square here. So it will become a means minus 1 means minus 2 x1 into x1 is equal to 2, no? So here this 2 x1 y1, so minus 2 plus 2 will come and minus 12 will come. So this minus 12 here, minus 12 divided by under root of 1 square plus 1 square. It will become minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled, minus 12 by root 2 mod of. It will become what we can say 12 by root 2 will come, and it will become 6, and it will become answer here, okay. So this is the answer of this question here. Root will cancel, 6 root 2 will become 6 root 2. So this is answer. Now seventh one here. So seventh question is given, if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the polar of 1 comma 1 with respect to the circle is given this one, and HCF of a b c is equal to 1. HCF of a b c is equal to 1 here, and then find the a square plus b square plus c is equal to how much. So solution here, it will come, equation of circle is given that, equation of circle is given that x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 here. From this we will get g value is minus 1 and f value is equal to 2 here, okay. So this line with respect to the, no, with respect to the 1 comma 1, no, so we have to submit the values in this one, s11 is equal to s1 is equal to 0. In this x1 xx1 plus y1 plus 2g g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0, no. So in this we have to submit the value, okay. So x into x1 means 1 x plus and y plus and g into x plus g is equal to how much? Minus 1 minus of x minus x plus 1, x1 is equal to 1 only, here plus 2 into, so this is also 1, no, so 1, so 1 into y is equal to y and plus y1 is equal to 1 plus c is equal to 0 here. So x plus y minus x and minus 1 plus y plus 1 plus c is equal to 0. C is equal to how much here? 1 plus 1 only. So c is equal to plus 1 here. So this is 1. So here x plus y, x will get cancelled, 2y plus 1 will minus 1, 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 will get here, 2y plus 1 is equal to get here. This is the first equation thing that, and given equation other thing is there, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, na? So this is second equation we will take, and from 1 and 2 it will become from 1 and 2 it will become a by 0 is equal to b by 2 is equal to c by 1, okay. is equal to k, think that like that. So a is equal to 0 will come, and b is equal to 2k, and c is equal to 1k. Okay, he asking us to find a square plus b square plus c square is equal to, so a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 0 plus 4k square plus k square will become, so it will become 5k square, it will become total. So k is equal to 1, so a plus b, a comma b comma c is equal to 1, no, so here given 1, so we will submit k value in this one, and it will become 5 into 1 square is equal to 5. Answer is 5 here. So this is the end of the second section, section 2. Please guys